In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Honkai Star Rail account. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. If you're inside your game on Honkai Star Rail and you'd like to log out of it and land in the main login page, then the process is quite simple. Simply go ahead and tap on the mobile phone icon at the top left hand corner. This will then open up your profile. Now, tap on the power button at the bottom right hand corner and click on confirm in the pop-up, and you'll be redirected to the main login page for Honkai Star Rail. That is how you should be able to log out of Honkai Star Rail account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Goodbye till then.